How to upgrade your HP PC to Windows 11 using the Windows Update app. If your HP computer came with the Windows 10 operating system installed, you can update your PC to Windows 11 using the Windows Update app. Note, depending on your computer model, all Windows 11 features might not be available. Software designed for Windows 10 might not work after installing Windows 11. Make sure that your PC is eligible for Windows 11. Install the PC Health Check tool from Microsoft to check if your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Before updating your PC, update all drivers, software, and BIOS. Note: HP recommends backing up all your data and creating a recovery media before updating your computer to Windows 11 to avoid loss of important information. On your Windows 10 computer, click Start, type Windows Update, and then select Windows Update Settings. Click Check for Updates. If Windows 11 is available for your computer, Feature Update to Windows 11 will be displayed. Click Download and Install. The Windows 11 download begins. It may take up to 2 hours for the download to complete, depending on your network connection speed. If prompted, restart the computer. If your PC has less than 128 GB of free hard drive space available, you will be prompted to connect a USB flash drive to continue installation. Use a blank USB flash drive with a capacity of at least 32 GB. When the installation completes, a Windows.old file is copied to the USB flash drive, which will be required if you decide to revert to Windows 10 operating system after updating to Windows 11. If prompted, enter your BitLocker key. Click Next when prompted to continue downloading additional Windows 11 files. In the Choose What to Keep window, select the personal files, settings, and apps that you'd like to keep after updating to Windows 11. Click Next. When the Ready to Install window appears, click Install to begin the installation. During installation, your computer will restart multiple times. Do not turn off your PC, or it will interrupt the installation process. If the sign-in window displays, sign in to your account. Note: if you chose to keep no personal files, settings, and apps after installation, you will need to activate Windows after installing Windows 11. When the installation completes, the Windows 11 desktop opens. Windows 11 is now installed on your computer. HP recommends that you update your drivers, apps, and software after updating to Windows 11. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.